done. One more thing. Alright. Hi everyone, this is Bill. Welcome to Lofty Maker channel. The Lofty Maker channel is related to makers product review. So I will provide more content for the makers product like 3D printer and the gadget, DIY toolkit, drones, FPV, something like this. On the last video, I have reviewed a toolkit which is Aeromax electronic mini drills that is launched in Indiegogo. So you can click here to find more details. And I think they have raised around $20,000 so far. So in today's video, I'm going to review another great gadget for makers, which is Jakemy. Before I move on, make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell to get notification from us so that you won't miss anything from us. Just jump into the details of the product. As you can see, it's compact with a black toolbox, which is made by ABS materials. So let's just see the details of the product. For the first one, the holder is designed very user-friendly. So if you check this side and at the bottom, it has a USB cables, which is for recharge for this gadget. And the reason they designed this one is it's anti-slip. So, and for the next, USB cable, so for recharge obviously. And the other one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 5. So in total it's 10 drills and screwdrivers for different types. And there's one great stuff is this. So can you see that? That is, I think I should turn around, magnetize. So, and on here, you can see the minus symbol in here, which is demagnetize. So I will show you how to use this one later. So let me just one by one. With this gadget, you can use it. And they only have 3 buttons: turn off, turn on, switch on. So you can see the green light. Then so if you press this button, it will be rotating for the right side, and if you press this button, it will be rotating for the left side. And always remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And it can change the speed. So all you need to do is just press one more time. You see that? The speed is totally different. And if you press one more time, it switch off. So let me just repeat. Turn on, slow mo speed. One more time, higher speed. I would like to call turbo mode. And one more time, switch off. And now let's just test our drill first. So when you install this one, you just need to turn left from here. Okay, it's done. And since I don't have anything need to drill, so I just take one timber to test it and to show you guys. See, this is normal speed. And let's just change to turbo speed. Can you see the difference? This is 2 holes I just made. Okay, let's just put everything up. And how about screwdrivers? Let's just try it. Let me just take one from here, and sometimes you want to screw something off or on. So, for example, this electric cars, and it has lots of screws here, here, and here. Of course, you can use a traditional screwdriver, but you will take your time. As I said, a smart gadget can save tons of your times. So let's just try it. Done. One more thing. All right. But as we can see, there's no magnetization for these screwdrivers. So if I put, it won't be stick. So now it's time to bring a great small tools, which is I introduced before, magnetizer. Okay, let me just check. So for this part is magnetizer, and this part is demagnetizer. Let's just test it. So sometimes you want to screw something or you want to unscrew something and you need some magnetize. All you need to do is just keep wrapping. I can see. You can feel it. You can feel it. You see that? Okay, let me just take this off, and I got a box of screw. So let's just try it. You see that? It has very strong magnetize now. And how about if I want to take demagnetize? So same tools, but you make sure you don't put your gadget, your screwdriver in here. You just put it in here, and which is demagnetize. Now, wait. Oh wait. Sorry. So it shouldn't have any magnetize now. See, it cannot stick anything. So and again, but I need some magnetize now, and just bring it. Very convenient and easy to use. So we come back again. Alright, so let me just keep going. Okay, now this wings has been taken off, but I want to take everything out, and since this is just for demo presentation. Alright, that's the video for today. Again, if you happen to follow our channel, so make sure subscribe our channel. So see you next time.